Welcome back to the channel, your go-to hub for discovering the smartest gadgets and game-changing tools on the market. We're counting down 9 incredible fishing and DIY products that are as clever as they are practical. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 9, Upgrade Bite Alarm. This sensitive electronic fishing alarm is a dream for anglers. It instantly alerts you the moment a fish bites, even in rough weather or at night, thanks to its built-in LED lights. The high-sensitivity turntable mechanism ensures you never miss a catch, and the volume is fully adjustable up to 80 dB. Waterproof and powered by 3 AG13 batteries, it easily clips onto sea rods with diameters from 12 to 35 centimeters. Whether you're night fishing, ice fishing, or casting off a dock, this tool is a must. Number 8. Hook Tier Machine. If tying hooks frustrates you, this stainless steel line tier will change your fishing game. It's durable, wear-resistant, and incredibly compact. Just toss it in your tackle box and you're good to go. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, this tool eliminates the hassle of tying knots, especially in cold conditions or when speed matters most. Number 7. Casting Trigger Aid. This professional casting aid is made for sea fishing. It attaches securely to your hip, helping you release the line at just the right time while casting. It's especially useful during winter, when fingers go numb and casting becomes challenging. Built with strong nylon and stainless steel, it provides stability and power for long-distance casts and improves your accuracy dramatically. Number 6. Gomexus Line Cutter. Revolutionize how you cut fishing lines with this precision tool. Featuring razor-sharp blades, serrated edges, and a built-in nail knot tool, this is a multifunctional masterpiece. Made with aerospace-grade aluminum, it resists corrosion even in salt water. Attach it to your belt or vest using the retractable mount for quick, easy access during every trip. It even comes with a jig eye cleaner, a real lifesaver when dealing with glue-clogged fly holes. Number 5. Bebird Ear Cleaner. Let's switch gears for a moment. This isn't a fishing gadget, but if you care about personal hygiene and family health, the Bebird Ear Cleaner belongs in your cabinet. Featuring a rocket-shaped design, 1080p HD camera, real-time Wi-Fi visual on your smartphone, and 4 cleaning methods. It's suitable for everyone in the family. Safe, smart, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Number 4. Smart Toilet Maishita 172. Upgrade your bathroom experience with this automatic smart toilet. Featuring instant hot water, a siphon jet flushing system, and remote control functions, this one-piece toilet redefines comfort. The side press flushing and elongated bowl make it ergonomic, while the CE certification ensures quality. A high-end addition to any modern bathroom setup. Number 3. Grinder Conversion Adapter. Turn your ordinary angle grinder into a powerhouse of versatility. With this adapter, your grinder becomes a chainsaw, electric saw, or cutting tool, depending on the blade. Made from high-grade metal, it's compatible with both plug-in and battery-powered grinders. Ideal for cutting, grinding, and DIY modifications, it's a space-saving, budget-friendly game-changer for handymen. Number 2. Drill Plate Cutter. Cut through metal, steel, copper, or aluminum sheets like butter. Designed for 12 to 21-volt lithium drills, this attachment turns your drill into a powerful sheet-cutting machine. With max cutting thicknesses up to 1.5 millimeters, it's perfect for roofing, ductwork, and custom DIY projects. Small in size, big on performance. Number 1. Reciprocating Saw Adapter. Need a powerful saw but only have a drill? No problem. This adapter transforms your drill into a reciprocating saw that cuts wood, metal, and more. It features an easy blade change mechanism and a tough ABS body with metal reinforcements, a reliable tool for demolition jobs, quick cuts, and tight spaces, all without investing in a standalone power saw. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.